Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. And after I sent that long, boring video of this logo to the gentleman, he thought I did good, but he wants to figure out how to fix the horse and the flower. And, even in the original, the flower's not perfect. So you'd either have to get another flower or, and I am, please do not take this for granted or that this is the way to do it because I have no clue when you're working with this kind of stuff. Printing, I don't print. This thing is little bitty, so we're going to make our nudge factor 1 inch. I've already played around with that leaf and it just, let me actually back up here and put that leaf back where it was. Okay, we're back to where it was. And what it is, it's just really pixelized and everything. So I'm going to ask this gentleman to try this and maybe print it out just by itself. So I'm going to make a duplicate. I'm going to move it over. Matter of fact, let's change our nudge factor to 1 inch. Make a duplicate of that and nudge it over. Both these are the same. I am going to convert this to a bitmap. Doesn't matter really what color. And see how it looks different already? But let's try this. And don't try this. I mean, test this out, please. Now that it's a bitmap, we can go to Object or go to Effect and Blur, Gaussian Blur. Just blurring it a little bit. And because it's a bitmap, and because there were so many objects, if you look, there are 285 objects. We can take, see it says too many objects, but if we take I'm going to get the transparency doctor, just make it a little bit transparent. I'm going to go up to Object, Order, Front of Page, and then move it back to our flower. And it looks better. It's not quite as maybe it'll print better, and you could still, try your transparency is still there. Take more or less away. Of course, it's blurry, but it's worth a shot. So, Mr. Jim, I'd appreciate it if you could just print that off and see what that would look like. I would print off both of them. Print off your original and print off your new one with the blur on it, just to see. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.